Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing this cute Pusheen bagel. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off at the top and let's draw an angled curve. Then for the left side, let's bring it up and back down for the ear. And for the right ear, we're going to step in above the line and let's draw it over like this. Now for the left side, let's continue it by curving it down and over to the right. And let's do the same thing from the right side. And that's it for the shape of the body. Next, let's move in and draw the face. Underneath at the top, let's draw an angled line down and then curve it back up. And the same thing on the right and on the left. Now let's move down and draw the mouth with a curve down to the left and to the right. Next, let's add the eyes. Let's draw a circle on the left, here, and then one above it on the right. And now let's color both of the eyes in black. Next, let's hop to the sides and add the whiskers. Let's draw two curves on the right and two on the left. And that's it for the face. Next, let's move down and draw the hands. Underneath the left eye here, let's draw a curve up and then curve it back in and under. Now let's do the same thing for the right hand, but slightly higher up like this. Next, let's move down and add the feet. Let's draw two curves up and back down at the bottom here. Now let's move in the middle and let's draw a circle for the bagel hole. Next, let's move over on the bottom left and add the tail. Let's start by drawing a curve up and let's bring it back down and around. And now let's add four curves inside for the stripes. And lastly, let's add some seeds on the body. Let's start on the top left and let's draw a curved rectangle shape like this. Then let's add another one below it going the other way. One under the left hand. One at the bottom. And then let's keep going by covering the rest of the body. And that's it for this cute Pusheen bagel. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!